Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add or remove Microsoft Defender exclusion in Windows 11. Adding or removing exclusion in Microsoft Defender antivirus on Windows 11 will allow you to prevent certain files, folders, or processes from being scanned. So this can be helpful if you know a file or program that is safe but being flagged incorrectly. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage exclusion in Microsoft Defender. First, you need to open the Windows security. So you can tap on this start menu or the Windows icon and then just type in security on the search bar at the top. And here you can just select it from the search result. So once the Windows security is open, you can just click on this virus and threat protections, and you can just scroll down and tap on this virus and threat protection settings. You can click on manage settings. Now to add or remove exclusion for files, folders, extensions, or processes, you can just scroll down until you find the exclusion option and tap on add or remove exclusion. In here, you can just click on yes, and here if you want to add, you can just tap on add an exclusion. And here you can choose the file type, the type of exclusion. So file will exclude a specific file, folder exclude an entire folder, file type will include file with specific extension, and process exclude a specific process running on your system. So you can just choose this option. For example, I'm going to go with folder. And then here you can choose the folder. For example, I'm going to go with this one. And then tap on select folder. And you guys can see here, it will be added. And you can, after you add it, if you want to remove it, you can just tap on this drop down and tap on remove to remove it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.